Nutricost Saw Palmetto 1000 milligrams, simple, strong, and effective. Let's find out. Before we get started, as always, check with your healthcare professional and make sure this or any supplements is right for you. Each serving delivers 1,000 milligrams of high-potency saw palmetto extract, a well-known herbal support for prostate health and overall wellness. The non-GMO, gluten-free formula is clean and straightforward. No fillers, just pure saw palmetto. The capsules go down smoothly, and there's no strong herbal aftertaste, which is a win. We've been using Nutricost Saw Palmetto 1,000 milligrams, and it's a no-nonsense supplement packed into 120 easy-to-take capsules. If you're looking for a high-quality saw palmetto supplement, this one gets the job done. We give it 2 thumbs up. As with any supplement, check with your healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.